Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to add social media link in YouTube channel. So first, you just have to open your YouTube, specifically go to your YouTube studio, and then here you have to locate customization, tap this one. Under customization or channel customization, you have the options, layout, branding, and basic info. You just have to go to basic info. Now scroll down here till you see this add link. Now, to add links like Twitter, Pinterest, or other social media platform or accounts, all you have to do is to click add link. So I will be adding at least three links here. So as you can see, we have here link title and URL. So obviously, what you're going to type here is the title of that social media account that you have. For example, I'm going to insert or enter my Twitter URL or Twitter account. So I had to type your Twitter, and then for my URL, I have to go to my Twitter account and then copy my URL here, go back to my YouTube studio, and then paste it right here. So if I want to add something, I'll just have to click add and then enter my Twitch, for example, or Pinterest account. Type Pinterest here and then go to my Pinterest account and then paste the URL here. Also, last is I want to add my Twitch account. So I have to click add link and then type Twitch and then enter my Twitch URL here. And then once done, all I have to do is to click publish and then view my channel. So yes, you can add more links if you want. You can add email here if you want. But once done, what you want to do is to click view channel to see if your links has been added to a YouTube account. So if I go to my YouTube account or YouTube channel, I can see there that I have added my social media link. And if people visit my channel, then they can click this one and it will take them directly to my social media accounts or my links. So that's how easy it is. You can add more links if you want. So if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.